Alright, that's busted. Well, so much for the fish finder today. Guess we're going in blind. Awesome. Oh man. Hopefully that's not a precursor for the day. We are out on the lake today that I have never had much luck on. I've been here twice and I have never caught a bass here. If I can catch one bass, I'll be happy. Not off to a good start today. So this is a power plant lake, and the hot water outlet is over on this far side here, and there is a lot of riprap over there. So I'm thinking we should go try our luck over there maybe. This is one I really wish I had a torpedo. Yeah, oh, catfish. Dang it. Still haven't caught a bass here. Well, at least we caught something, I guess. It's another catfish. Maybe not. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Yeah. Yes. Yes. I think this is the biggest bass I've caught all year. Just finally caught a bass. Oh, buddy, you look like a big one. He's at least 3 pounds. Oh yeah, he's a good one, man. Yes. And that is on the jackhammer. I believe that color is called bruised pumpkin. It has been caught before. Alright. 3 1/4. Very nice fish. I thought it was closer to 4, but I will take it. I will take it for sure. Let's get a picture. Just so I have proof that I actually caught a bass out here. Thanks for biting, buddy. Yeah. Yeah, finally caught a bass out here. Feeling good. Oh, come on, be a bass. Another catfish. There you go, buddy. Yeah, let's get out of here. Ooh-wee. All right. Yes. Just a dink, but hey, it's been a bit of a cold spell. Bruh. So I got stuck on a rock there. And then as soon as I unlodged it, he smashed it. I mean, you know. For a half pounder, he smashed it. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but there's some crazy sirens going off over there. Well, that's all she wrote. Not a crazy numbers day, but our goal was to catch one bass out here, and we accomplished that. So successful day.